Hi there, students. To hobnob. Okay, in English this is quite an informal way of saying to chat with, to talk to. So I was with my friend and we spent half the evening hobnobbing, let's try that, hobnobbing about one thing or another. Okay, so to hobnob, to have a chat with someone, yeah? To gossip with them, if you like. Okay, there were several people at the bar hobnobbing, talking to each other. Now, I find this phrase interesting because I looked it up in Google before I made the video. I normally look things up to help me clarify what I'm going to say. And it gave the definition, or the primary definition, as to mix with socially rich and important people. Let's see, I have heard the phrase he's been hobnobbing with the rich and he doesn't want to know the likes of us. But if somebody said to me he's been hobnobbing, personally I would not assume that it had been with rich people. He's just been talking to someone. Maybe in the US they used to hobnob meaning to mix with high social classes and important people. Maybe somebody could comment on that for me. So to hobnob, what about the origin of this? Well, they suggest that this is to do with two people drinking together. I drink your health and you drink mine and we talk a bit more. Or maybe I buy one round and then you buy the next round and we continue hobnobbing. Okay, notice to hobnob all together, and it's a regular verb. They hobnobbed all evening. They have hobnobbed for half an hour and probably will continue. Notice to me in British English this is quite an informal phrase. Oh, and while we're about it, there's actually a biscuit in the UK which the name is Hobnobs. I don't know why. Well, yeah, I think the idea is that you eat the biscuits with your coffee while you hobnob with your friend. Yeah, okay, so it's a biscuit to eat with your coffee or tea while you are hobnobbing. So hobnob, to have an informal chat with someone, to shoot the breeze if you like. Yeah, to gossip with them, to talk about all sorts of different things. Yeah, it's nice to hobnob with someone that you know well. Yeah, you could even have a hobnob with them. Okay, to have a hobnob with somebody. So I guess that's enough. It's probably time for me to stop hobnobbing about to hobnob and to go and do something else. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Hobnob to your friends about this channel. You could subscribe to it, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To hobnob.